Hey, we still in earnings week, and Thursday was a vibe. We had Apple, Amazon, Roku, Intel. Who hit? Who missed? Let's get into it. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter. Let's go. Hey, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang. Hey, earnings week has been nothing but awesomeness the whole week. Today, July 28th, Thursday, we had some big dogs reporting earnings. Did y'all tune in? Hey, we did the live session in our Discord channel, in the Earners Club only channel. It was great. People pulled up. We had pizza. We had wings. We had drink. We was kicking it. We was talking ish, and I had my live reaction when the big dogs reported. Make sure you want to be part of the community. You know, we do crypto, stocks, mining, staking for crypto. We do it all, man. Anything financial literacy uh, uh, based, we doing it in the Earners Club, man. We just trying to help each other make sure we secure those bags, create that generational wealth. The link is in the bio. But yeah, we had a blast in a live event in the Discord, and we watched the big dogs report before the bell. We had Pfizer, who hit on earnings. Salute to them. We had MasterCard. They hit on earnings as well, too, before the bell. Southwest hit on earnings as well. But we want to get into that after the bell. We the big dogs after the market closed. We had Apple, Amazon, Roku, and Intel. Four major players in the tech space, and it did not disappoint. Let's get into the chart and let's talk about it. First on the list is Amazon. Whew, did y'all see it? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see what happened? We literally was watching this before the numbers came out. It leaked like a mixtape, and I watched them trade from 122 at the close, shoot all the way up to 136, 137, and we knew just off of that, them earnings must have came through, and for sure. Amazon stock jumped in the extended trading after reporting a good earnings today. Revenue 121 billion. That's 121 billion versus 119 billion. That was what they expected. Crushed it. Big their AWS, Amazon Web Service, 19 billion point 7 versus 19 billion point 56. Killed it. Advertising 8.76 billion versus 8.65. Check mark. Amazon did record a 3.9 billion loss with Revyon investment. Revyon is the U.S. trucking SUV company based out of California. Amazon and Ford were one of the first two to put money in behind them. That brings them a markdown of the year of 11.5 billion. Uh, for the second straight quarter, Amazon took a massive write down on this investment with Revyon. So this is two quarters they haven't seen a return on it. They're taking hits. Revyon stock has been getting slaughtered ever since it IPO. It's not looking good for them, and they've cut some of their workforce too. Hopefully, they be able to pick it up, man. Nobody want to see nobody lose their job. Nobody want to see their stock prices just break down like this. Uh, Amazon reports comes day after Ford took a $2.4 billion markdown as well. So, yeah, Amazon, Ford, both early investors in Revyon, both not making no profit, man. But overall, Amazon hit. You can see their price action jumped out the gym today. Still trading about $138 per share. We're going to see what it's going to look like in the pre-market. Hopefully it holds for those who are in the calls, those who have got long investment holds on it. Congratulations. Make sure you collect those shillings in the morning. Salute to you guys for taking the risk, doing your homework, and knowing that Amazon was going to hit today. Yeah, I'm happy for y'all. For real, for real. Let's get into the next play. Roku. Ooh, the opposite. Roku got schmizacked. They got clapped. Roku shares pummeled more than 25% in the extended trading hours, people. Yikes. Company missed on top and bottom for the second quarter in a row. Good night. Good night. $85 all the way down to $62 per share, and it doesn't look like it's getting any better according to this chart. Earnings loss 82 cent per share versus 69 cent expected. Revenue 764 million versus 805 million. Sheesh. And y'all remember when Roku was booming during the pandemic? Like trading options on their call options, it was like easy money. Now they just get murdered. I don't mean to laugh. Again, I don't want to see companies go losing money or whatnot, and this is not a time to celebrate. But if you put puts on Roku, if you put them puts, them hand them paws, you put puts on them, congratulations. Your bag gonna look nice in the morning, man. So salute to everybody that ran puts or shorted Roku. If you played the call on it, I feel bad for you guys. But you got to do your research, got to do your fundamental analysis. You know what I'm saying? Was Roku really one of them companies that was gonna hit? The proof is in the pudding. You know what I'm saying? Overvalued, just a tad. Who knows, right? Next company, let's get into it. Intel. Ooh, look like Roku. Look like twin sisters out here, y'all. Intel shares sank as much as 10% in the extended trading on Thursday after the chip mega report second quarter results and quarterly and full year guidance that fell short of analysts' expectations. No SHIT. Missed a lot of expectations here. Basically what the company did, earnings 29 cents per share adjusted versus 76 per share as expected. Revenue 15.32 billion versus 17.92 billion as expected by analysts. Intel's revenue declined sum of 22% year over year in a quarter at the end of July 2nd. Revenue missed consensus by 14%. This is the company's largest top line disappointment since 1999. Y'all familiar with Prince? Y'all ever heard that song? We gon' party like it's 1999. Ain't no parties in Intel, baby. Ain't no parties. They gonna be scrambling in the morning trying to figure it out. Hopefully nobody lose their job over this. I want to make sure people getting their checks, got families to feed and everything, but this is not looking good. Maybe with this new bill sitting on Sleepy Joe's desk, maybe this might help them out. I don't know. We'll see. See if we actually signs the bill. Back into Intel. It ended the quarter with a 454 million net loss. Yikes. Compared to the net income of 5 billion in a year ago quarter. Gross margins narrowed about 36.5% from 50.4% in the previous quarter. So yeah, Intel got smacked. If you play puts on Intel, congratulations. In the morning, collect your shillings. If you thought Intel was gonna pop and did calls, take your loss. Hopefully you had your risk management in place. I don't know if you knew this was gonna happen. Maybe they may make up some of this ground in the pre-market. We'll see. A lot of ground to make up. And last but not least, the biggest of all the big dogs, the $1 trillion burner company. You already know the vibes. It's the Big Apple. Yeah, Big Apple. Big Apple reported. Fun fact, guys, I actually bet one of the traders in my Discord, 588 Cardano, we betted some crypto that Apple would hit top and bottom. And he betted against that. Like, you don't bet against Apple. Now, listen, I understand. Anybody can get clapped. I got it. But Apple is just booming, and we got the numbers to prove it. All right? So let's talk about it. Apple report a record revenue of 83 billion, regardless of the inflation. People still buying iPhones and MacBooks and iPads, people. You got to know that. Let's get into the numbers, man. Apple reports a record of 83 billion. Apple released, sorry, we're going to keep it raw. We're going to keep it one take, Jake, baby. Keep it going. Earnings per share, $1.20 versus $1.16 expected. iPhone revenue, 40.7 billion versus 38.9 billion. Check. iPad revenue, 7.22 billion reported versus 6.9 billion expected. Check. Mac revenue, 7.4 billion versus 8.4 billion expected. Was kind of down. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Wearables, we're talking like the watches, the iPad, iPod. See, I use Mac only certain items, phones, watches, all that stuff I don't have. I do I have an iPad and I have a MacBook. Uh, so excuse me if I don't know, right? Wearables, watches, earbuds, 8.1 billion versus 8.8 billion. Man, my freaking sister done lost 4 pair of earbuds. I know they didn't got some money off of her. You know what I'm saying? Service revenue 19.6 billion versus 19.7 billion expected. Apple stock was up more than 3% on the aftermarket. I literally watched this. I'm actually in some Apple calls, and hopefully this price action will maintain. Maybe I might see a little dip down, but maybe we stay above 157. I'm actually at 157 cost or the strike price right now. So I'm definitely gonna collect my shillings. Overall, though, the biggest thing that I noticed is that the Qs look great after these reportings. The Qs look beautiful. The Qs are holding high. So even during the trading day, the Qs was just running. SPY was running. The market was looking green and healthy. Uh, is this the end of the bear market? I'm not gonna say that it is. Is this it's the artificial pump? And then maybe this could be a dump. Maybe the institutional investors pumping all this money, getting us retail investors excited, and then they gonna dump on us. Something to think about. It could happen. I'm mentioning it because I want you guys, the retail investors like me, to be prepared, not surprised. So therefore, start thinking like that. Institutional can wake up tomorrow, Friday, and just dump and put us right back in that downtrend, right? I wouldn't get too overzealous and happy and just go call crazy. Be patient, trade what you see, not what you think. Take profits, take your shillings accordingly. Be cautious swinging trades, and just base hit. I always tell y'all, base hit win baseball games too, baby. Remember that. You ain't always got to hit the home run. You ain't got to swing for a double or a triple. Base hit, score runs, and win baseball games. Believe it or not. So just be patient. Hey, you do what you want. You grown. You make your own decisions. I'm just putting out there how I handle my risk management in volatile times like this. So be cautious, right? We all got to look out for each other. I'm just giving you a little bit of game, a little gems here and there. You can do what you want with the information. You feel me? But overall, the market looked great. Look like we're gonna be green bean for the week. That's awesome. We're starting to get above some structure for the Nasdaq and the SPY previous structure. I was telling my community, we get above the structures and start holding, we can start making higher highs, higher lows, and maybe we see a reversal. Crypto market is strong too. Ethereum, Bitcoin up, XRP's up. Cardano's been going crazy, and Polygon, just to name a few. I made a video about crypto, the place that I'm in, so go check it out so you can kind of see what my portfolio is looking like. But ultimately, man, it's been a hell of a earnings week, and we still got tomorrow before the bell. We have ExxonMobil, we got Chevron, we got Procter and Gamble, and we got Phillips 66, Dirty Energy. You feel me? So hopefully you guys are being profitable this week. I've seen some people in my chat and on internet posting their winnings. I'm happy for you guys. Let's get this money. Let's get it because it don't belong to us. Let's get it back. Let's fight inflation by making a little extra cash in the stock market, baby. That's what it's all about. Anyways, if y'all like what I'm kicking and I earned y'all like, please hit that like button for your boy. If you want to share it with your partners, your mama, your baby mama, your baby daddy, your side piece, hit the share button. If you want to drop me a comment, say if I missed something that I didn't cover, or you like what I'm doing, drop me a comment. I always talk back, unless you're a bot. Don't talk to bots. I think I might be out here doing something in this YouTube space, man. I'm getting bots in my comments now, man. I might low-key be making something out of here. I might have tell my mom I'm a YouTuber now. And then most importantly, if you want to stay up on that content, click the bell, the notification bell, and join our earners club, because we are running it up with the content every day. I'm dropping new vids. And if you want to, tap in with the community, you want to be part of the earners club, the link is in the bio below. Click that. I got 4 different tiers. You pick the price point, and you can cancel anytime if you ain't rocking and you don't feel that the content or the education or what I'm kicking in my trader group, what we putting out is not valuable. You can roll out. No love lost. I still got love for you. So yeah, it's your boy Wall Street Shooter, man, and this is never financial advice. Peace. Love y'all. Later.